Here's a candy assortment. We got some Skittles. Okay, so here's the container, and let me get some water. And I'm going to go ahead and fill the container with some water. Maybe a little more. There we go. And this is just like a random plastic container. Okay, now I think I'm going to add the Skittles first, because that seems the most fun. Like, let's see, because there's some fun colors. So you drop in a red. See if they're going to do anything. Not yet. Oh, they're beginning to release color now. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's get a top view. They kind of look funky. That's what they look like. Cool, right? Pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so that's looking super cool right now. So let me see what will happen if I stir it. I also have like a little stick here, so let's see if we just kind of swirl everything a little bit. What will that look like? Nothing much, just a little more cloudy. Kind of got a little bit of tie-dye going on, I guess. That's pretty cool looking. Top view.